Sometimes you may have uploaded a profile photo on Facebook, and you may want to edit that profile photo. If you want, you can edit that profile photo with AI. In this video, we'll be telling you how to edit your profile photo with AI on Facebook. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your profile name. Click on this profile name. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach your profile, and in your profile, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo, and here you can see Restyle Profile Picture with AI. Click on Restyle Profile Picture with AI. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Describe Changes. Click on this, and you can tell what changes you want in this photo. If you want to add anything, click on Add and you can tell what you want to add. Or if you want to remove anything, click on Remove and tell what you want to remove. Or if you want to make any other changes, you can tell that also. For that, click on Changes. Anyways, I am asking to remove the stars, so I am clicking on Remove, and then I am typing star. After that, click on the Send button. When you are clicking on that, AI will make the necessary changes in that photo. Now here you can see that the stars have been removed. And after that, if you want to save, click on this Done button. And if you want to show this as a post, here you can see Share Your Update to Feed, just tick this. Or if you don't want to show this as a post, just untick this. Anyways, I am unticking it. After that, click on the Save button. When you are clicking on that, that photo will be saved. So this way you can easily edit your Facebook profile photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.